Hello and welcome to One and All. This is your host Ash and we'll be discussing about Cochin, an emerging maritime hub. Let's move on to the main topic. Today's topic is Volvo Ocean Race in India and Cochin Port to be the India stopover. It is for the first time in its 35-year history that the race was stopping over in India. Volvo Ocean Race is the most prestigious and spectacular round. The World Marathon Ocean Yacht Racing competition seen as the ultimate in extreme adventure sporting. Cochin Port hosted the stopover of the ultimate ocean racing competition which came for the first time to India. The world's fastest racing yacht was called at Cochin on 3rd of December 2008 and stayed for 10 days and witnessed a visual extravaganza before starting leg 3 of the race to Sentosa Island in Singapore. The Cochin stopover was being organized by the Cochin Port Trust and the Kerala Tourism Department with the support of the Indian Navy and the Yachting Association of India. The Cochin team consisted of the Cochin Port Trust and the Kerala Tourism Department to host the stopover and made it a memorable one reflecting the culture and tradition of the region. Different agencies have been enlisted for making the event successful, including marketing, media, and events among others. 8 participating teams formed a part of the race, which includes the Ericsson Racing 1 from Sweden, Ericsson Racing 2 from Sweden, Puma Ocean Racing from US, Delta Lloyd from Netherlands, Telefonica Black from Spain, and Telefonica Blue from Spain. The event brought in its wake economic benefits and sheer popularity for Cochin and Kerala as a tourist destination. The event was expected to reach more than 1.8 billion TV viewers in more than 180 countries and offered unparalleled global visibility to Cochin Port and Kerala. For 10 days in December 2008, Cochin came into international media limelight. Apart from millions of sport enthusiasts, Volvo Ocean Race stopover at Cochin saw the largest gathering of people from the sailing adventure sport field, high net worth individuals, sailing clubs and associations from across the world, boat builders and manufacturers, making the stopover the perfect platform for businesses to explore new business horizons. So viewers, because of all this reason, Cochin is arguably the ideal starting point for exploring the unfathomable diversity and beauty of Kerala, and that's why it is rated the top 3 tourist destination by the World Travel and Tourism Council and featured in National Geographic Traveler's 50 Greatest Places of a Lifetime.